This is the Vacmaster Multi 20 PTO wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The PTO stands for power takeoff because you can perform dustless grinding, sanding or drilling by simply plugging your power tool into the outlet on the top of the machine. The Vacmaster is a neatly boxed bit of kit with a wide array of accessories and features as standard. There's a little bit of assembly required, but that only took me about 2 minutes to perform, and all in, from opening the box to plugging a power tool in and testing it out, it took me about 3 minutes. The only thing you're going to need to assemble the unit is a Phillips screwdriver. The vacuum comes with the dry cartridge filter attached, but if you want to use it for wet work, simply remove it and replace it with the foam filter instead. To set the machine up for dry extraction, make sure the tank is completely dry, fit the bag, then refit the cartridge filter and you're pretty much good to go. The 10-inch universal floor head is great for wet work as well as rough surfaces, but there's also a carpet wand included. Simply press the buttons either end of the tool to release and then click the different heads into place. 2.5 meters of vacuum hose, 4 meters of electrical cord and 3 interlocking tubes mean that you've got in excess of 8 meters working range with the machine, which is more than ample for most tasks. Also included are an adapter to hook your power tool to your vac hose, a detailing brush and a crevice tool. The lock-on hose also connects to the blower port at the back. If you want to use the power takeoff socket, simply plug in your tool. The capacity remaining on the machine is 740 watts, which should cover most power tool options. When you're finished cleaning everything up, nice and simply, everything stows on board the machine like so. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Please give us a like on your way out, subscribe if you want to see more content, and there's a Vacmaster playlist appearing on the screen right about now. Thanks for watching.